Dubai is home to some of the world's most famous shopping destinations. But here's a question that confuses every visitor. Should you spend your day at the massive Dubai Mall or the more intimate Dubai Marina Mall? We'll compare size, shopping experiences, entertainment, dining, crowds, and accessibility to help you decide which mall actually delivers the better experience. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which mall suits your style, whether you're a first-time tourist seeking Instagram-worthy moments or a savvy traveler who values comfort over chaos. Plus, we'll reveal which mall gives you better value for your time and money. Size and first impressions. When you step into Dubai Mall for the first time, the sheer scale is overwhelming. At 12 million square feet, with over 1,200 stores, it's officially the world's largest mall by total area. You can literally spend an entire day inside and still not see everything. The endless corridors and multiple wings make it feel like a city under one roof. But size isn't always an advantage. Finding your way around can feel like solving a maze, and you don't just drop in to Dubai Mall for quick errands. It's a full-day commitment. Dubai Marina Mall takes the opposite approach. With just 140 stores across 4 levels, it feels cozy and manageable. You can explore the entire mall in 2 hours without needing a map or strategy. It's built for simplicity, not spectacle. The contrast is clear. Dubai Mall feels like a marathon where you need stamina and planning. Dubai Marina Mall feels like a comfortable stroll where you can relax and enjoy the experience. So the first question becomes, do you want to be amazed by scale? Or do you prefer something more human-sized? Shopping experience. If size sets the stage, then shopping is the performance. And here's where the Dubai Mall and Dubai Marina Mall take 2 very different approaches. At Dubai Mall, shopping is designed as a luxury theatre. Walk through Fashion Avenue and you'll find Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Gucci and Cartier, creating an atmosphere of high-end abundance. Even the mid-range stores often carry exclusive collections priced higher than elsewhere. Whether you're buying a diamond watch or just window shopping, the experience feels grand and aspirational. Dubai Marina Mall takes a more practical approach. The stores here, H&M, Sephora, Adidas, Boots, cater to residents who want everyday essentials without the overwhelming luxury theatre. It's the kind of place where you run in for new clothes or skincare without making it a day-long event. Here's the key difference. Dubai Mall gets the flagship stores, limited editions, and exclusive launches that you won't find elsewhere. Marina Mall doesn't have that exclusivity, but what it offers is accessibility. You can pop in, find what you need, and be done in under 2 hours. Dubai Mall is where you go to experience shopping as entertainment. Marina Mall is where you go to get shopping done efficiently. The choice depends on whether you want retail spectacle or retail convenience. Entertainment and attractions. But what if shopping isn't enough? Which mall offers better entertainment value? Dubai Mall isn't just a shopping centre, it's a theme park disguised as a mall. The Dubai Aquarium features sharks and stingrays swimming overhead. There's an Olympic-sized ice rink, Kidzania where kids role-play careers, and a VR park with cutting-edge adventures. Step outside and you're at the Burj Khalifa with fountain shows every evening. Tourists often combine all these experiences: shopping, dining, watching fountains, and taking selfies with the world's tallest building. Dubai Mall becomes an entire tourist itinerary, not just a shopping trip. Dubai Marina Mall offers a completely different entertainment philosophy. The highlight is real cinemas for catching blockbusters, plus kids' play areas and seasonal events. But the real attraction lies outside. The Marina Promenade with yachts, waterfront cafes, and boat tours available right at the mall's doorstep. The contrast couldn't be clearer. Dubai Mall equals blockbuster attractions that make global headlines. Marina Mall equals everyday leisure with a stunning waterfront backdrop. If Dubai Mall feels like Disneyland, Marina Mall feels like your neighborhood hangout with million-dollar views. One amazes you with scale, the other relaxes you with scenery. Dining and atmosphere. If shopping is the attraction and entertainment is the thrill, then food and vibe is the soul of any mall experience. Dubai Mall offers over 200 dining options, from global fine dining to casual cafes. Restaurants like Nobu and Sushi Samba provide luxury experiences, while many spots overlook the Dubai Fountain. Imagine eating dinner while 150-meter water jets perform choreographed shows. That's not just a meal, it's entertainment. The atmosphere is constantly buzzing with international tourists, luxury shoppers, and families. With 100 million annual visitors, it feels like a global hub where every culture converges. The energy is electric, but can feel overwhelming during peak times. Dubai Marina Mall takes a more intimate approach to dining. Casual spots like Carluccio's, Five Guys, and Starbucks provide comfort without spectacle. The real magic happens outside on the Marina Promenade, where waterfront dining feels romantic and relaxed. The crowd here is smaller, more local, and predictable, mostly Marina residents and their families. You can enjoy a coffee, do some shopping, and never feel rushed or overwhelmed. So the atmosphere choice is clear. Dubai Mall delivers crowds, energy, and global excitement, but also stress. Marina Mall provides calm, community vibes, and easy enjoyment without chaos. Do you thrive in high-energy environments, or do you prefer peace and personalization? Accessibility and practical considerations. One of the most practical questions visitors ask is, how easy is it to get there? Because in a city like Dubai, where distances are vast and traffic is unpredictable, accessibility can make or break your experience. Let's start with the Dubai Mall. Located in downtown Dubai, it sits right at the base of the Burj Khalifa, making it one of the most central and iconic spots in the city. It's easily connected by the Dubai Metro. You can hop off at the Burj Khalifa Dubai Mall station and walk through an air-conditioned sky bridge straight into the mall. For tourists, this is a huge plus. Even if you don't have a car, reaching Dubai Mall is straightforward. But here's the catch. The mall is so popular that traffic around it can be brutal. On weekends, public holidays, or evenings during the Dubai fountain shows, getting in and out can test your patience. The parking lots are massive with 14,000 plus spaces, but even then, finding a spot near your preferred entrance can take time. In short, it's accessible but also overwhelmingly busy. Now, let's shift to the Dubai Marina Mall. Nestled in the heart of the Marina district, it's not as centrally located as Dubai Mall, but it's perfectly placed for the people who live nearby. For residents of Marina, Jumeirah Beach residents, and Jumeirah Lake Towers, it's literally a 5-minute drive or even a walk. The mall is connected to the Dubai Tram, which loops around the Marina area and links to the metro at DMCC station. That means you can get there without too much hassle, especially if you're already in the area. Parking is plentiful for the mall's size and much easier to manage compared to Dubai Mall. Because the crowds are smaller, you can usually park close to the entrance and get in and out quickly. The roads leading to Marina Mall can get busy during rush hour, but it's still nothing compared to the gridlock around downtown. So here's the bottom line. Dubai Mall is best for tourists, easy to reach by metro, but expect crowds and traffic. Dubai Marina Mall is best for locals, less crowded, quick in and out access, ideal for daily life. Price and value experience Dubai Mall encourages luxury spending. With hundreds of high-end brands and restaurants overlooking iconic views, your day can easily become expensive. Even mid-range stores often carry premium-priced exclusive collections. Add attractions like the aquarium or VR park, and costs multiply quickly. Dubai Marina Mall focuses on practical spending. Most stores are mid-range, where everyday shoppers can find what they need without breaking budgets. Dining is also more budget-friendly. A coffee or casual meal feels like normal life, not a splurge. Dubai Mall spending feels aspirational. Even window shopping makes you dream bigger. Marina Mall spending feels controlled and approachable. Think of Dubai Mall as a luxury showroom where experiences cost more but create lasting memories. Marina Mall is a stylish neighborhood marketplace where you get good value without the premium price tag. So which mall wins? The truth is, they're not really competing. They serve completely different purposes. Choose Dubai Mall if you're a first-time tourist who wants the full Dubai experience. It's a bucket list destination where you can say you've visited the world's largest mall, seen the aquarium, and dined with Burj Khalifa views. Perfect for luxury shopping, Instagram moments, and grand experiences. Plan at least half a day, bring comfortable shoes, and prepare for crowds. Choose Dubai Marina Mall if you value convenience, comfort, and relaxation. Perfect for residents, repeat Dubai visitors, or anyone preferring intimate spaces over tourist crowds. Ideal for waterfront dining, stress-free shopping, and enjoying Dubai's lifestyle without sensory overload. Here's the simple test. Do you want to feel amazed and slightly exhausted like you've conquered a world wonder? Choose Dubai Mall. Do you want to feel relaxed and satisfied like you've discovered a hidden gem? Choose Marina Mall. Both represent different sides of Dubai, the ambitious global city versus the livable community. The beauty is you can experience both and decide which captures your heart. Which sounds more appealing to you, the grand adventure of Dubai Mall or the relaxed charm of Marina Mall? Subscribe to the channel and let me know your thoughts in the comments below.